Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Slack, access workspaces and channels step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or find the Slack app on your phone. If you are using a computer, go to Slack.com and click Sign in the top right. If you are using the mobile app, tap Slack to open it. Choose the sign-in method your team uses, such as email, Google, or Apple. If you have a workspace URL, type it in the workspace field when prompted. If you do not know your workspace URL, click Find Your Workspace. Enter the email address you use for Slack and submit the request. Open your email inbox and find the message from Slack with your workspace link. Click the workspace link in the email to return to Slack sign-in. Enter your email address and password if you are using email sign-in. If your workspace uses Google sign-in, click Continue with Google and choose your account. If your workspace uses Apple sign-in, click Continue with Apple and authenticate. Complete any two-factor authentication step if your workspace requires it. After signing in, check the left sidebar for your workspace name and icon. If you belong to multiple workspaces, click the workspace switcher to view them. Select the workspace you want to open to load its channels and messages. In the channel list, look under Channels to see public channels you can access. Click any channel name to open it and view the conversation. To find a specific channel, use the search bar at the top and type the channel name. If you need to join a public channel, click Add Channels or Browse Channels. Search the channel directory, then click Join next to the channel you want. To access private channels, ask an admin or a member to add you to the channel. To open direct messages, click the Direct Messages section in the sidebar. Click a person's name to open your chat and send a message. To make sure you are in the right place, confirm the workspace name at the top of Slack. If you see a signed out message, repeat the sign-in steps and check your password. If you forgot your password, use Forgot Password and follow the reset link in your email. Once you are logged in, you can switch channels anytime by clicking their names in the sidebar. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.